Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit a comment on Instagram. And here's how it is done. Instagram doesn't currently let you edit a comment once it is posted. But if you have made a mistake or want to change something, you can delete the original comment and write a new one. Open the Instagram app and find the post where you left the comment. If you cannot locate the post, go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right and choose your activity. Select Interactions, then tap Comments to view all the comments you have made. Find the comment you want to change, then press and hold it until a trash can icon appears. Tap the icon to delete the comment. Keep in mind that once you delete it, it can't be recovered, so be sure you know what you want to say before removing it. To add your revised comment, go back to the same post and tap the comment icon. Type your new comment and hit post. And that is everything to know about how to edit a comment on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.